how to fix DHgate access denied. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you want to click on the three dots at the top right of your browser, and then you want to go into settings. From here, search for cookies, and you want to click on third-party cookies here, and then you will just select COSI data and permissions, and you want to search for DHgate. Right here, you will find the DHgate website and click on the trash can. It is going to tell you that you will be signed out of these sites, including in open tabs, and any offline data will be deleted. So make sure you know your account, and then you want to click on delete. If that doesn't work, then what we can do is proceed to the second step, which is going to be searching for VPN, just making sure that we don't have any VPNs open. So we're going to click on VPN here. And if you have any VPN connections, you want to turn them off. And if that doesn't work either, the last thing that I suggest doing is checking the link itself. Make sure you have written it correctly and that you haven't made any typos, because that may give you the access denied error on DHgate. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.